Hey yo, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Adobe Illustrator application on your laptop or your desktop. So, in order to begin, what you'll have to do first is open your desired browser. In this case, going to use the Brave browser. Once you're in the Brave browser, what you'll have to do is create a new tab and go onto the search bar. Now type in download Adobe Illustrator. Now click on enter. Let me disconnect my internet. Once you search for it, you can see these options. So you can see the first website that comes, which is the adobe.com, and you have what you have to do is open this one. And now you can see all these. I'm going to close this one, and now you can see a start a 7-day free trial of Illustrator. Now click on start free trial. Now that you are in here, what you can do is you can select these plans, like the for individual students and teachers and for businesses. Now I'm going to choose the student individual plan, and here's the subscription plan. You can choose any of the subscription plan. And once that's selected, you can click on continue. In the next page, what you'll have to do is you can see the your card where you can see how much is due now. As you can see, it's billing us $0 because it has a 7-day free trial. Once that ends, you will have to make a payment. So what you can do is click on continue. In the next step, it will ask you to enter your email address. What you have to do is click on this box and type in your email account and click on continue again. Perfect. Now what you have to do is choose your payment method. Here we have the options credit card, PayPal or Amazon Pay. For this case, I'm going to use credit card. If you have PayPal or Amazon Pay and you choose to pay through that, you can choose any of that. That completely depends upon you. What I'm going to do is you choose credit card. And right now here you can see card number, the expiry date, the first name, last name, your country zip code, and the country that you reside in. And there's a phone number optional button. This is completely optional. You can leave it, or maybe if you can enter it, that's completely fine. What you can do next is after you have all these boxes filled, what you can see is click on this agree and subscribe button. Okay, so once you click on agree and subscribe, it will automatically download the Creative Cloud application on your desktop. And once the Creative Cloud application is done, it will install the Adobe Illustrator application within the Creative Cloud application. So it won't be a problem to you. You can just click on the install button and wait for it to be done. That's completely very easy. So I'm going to end this video right here. You can do the next step, and that will give you the Illustrator download on your PC. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.